Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use UploadCam. When you launch UploadCam, you'll see the login screen. This is where you pick the cloud service you want to upload your photos to. We offer several options. For this tutorial, I'll use Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you land in the Folders screen. This is where you see all the folders that have been assigned to you. At the top, you have the User Default folder, a folder your administrator may assign as your default upload destination. Below that, you have Recent folders and the Team folders, where you may be collaborating. If you go inside a folder, you'll see its contents. This folder is empty, so I can tap Take Photos here, which takes me to the camera. At the top, you'll see the folder you're currently in. This is where the photos you take will upload. The camera offers several controls, like zoom and switching between photo and video. On the top right, you have more configuration options. You can show a grid or change the aspect ratio and photo resolution if you need to. On the top left, you can see the nearby folders assigned to you. I don't have any nearby folders right now, but UploadCam lets you associate a folder with a location, so your folder changes automatically based on where you are. You can also apply tags that are configured at the team level by your administrator. When you start taking photos, they upload automatically to the destination folder. This is a simulator, so it just generates colored images. If I take a photo and tap on it, I can edit it. I can give it a custom file name, draw on top of the photo, or add arrows and write notes. The photo then uploads automatically. Let's leave the camera and go to the upload screen. This is where you see any pending uploads. If you're offline, for example, the photos that can't upload right away will appear here. In the My Photos tab, you'll see all the photos you've taken. You can change the layout to see them bigger. Tap on any photo to browse through them. Here you can change the tags, edit your photos, and edit the captions. From the thumbnail screen, you can even generate reports. If I select multiple photos and tap the PDF button, I can create a PDF report to share with other people. I hope you found this tutorial useful.